Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio beat to match cut on VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and select new project, and since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. Alright, now the project has been created guys, and we just need to import photos or video to our project. For example, I'm going to use photos from my gallery. I'm going to use photo from this pens album. Okay, and I'm just going to pick random photos from here. I think 4 photos enough, and then click on next. And then I'm going to add audio to this project. So I'm going to click on tab to add music. And then for the audio, I'm just going to choose audio from the VN video editor. I'm going to select dynamic category. And I'm going to choose, let's try this one. Click on use. And to get audio from the VN, make sure you have downloaded the audio. Okay, and to add the audio beat or beat mark to our audio guys, we need to activate the beats menu right here. As you can see that the beats menu, the beats option has been activated automatically, and you just need to click on this black icon to activate the audio beat or the beat mark. But as you can see, the beat has been activated automatically. Okay, I'm just going to click on the check mark. You can adjust the volume and adjust the fade in and fade out effect if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and now the beat mark or the audio beat has been added to the audio, and then I'm going to match cut with the audio beat. So I'm going to cut my photo, or we can trim it like this. Okay, you can match the cut like this. It will be so helpful if you want to create like slideshow content with the photo. Alright, now it's done guys, and this is the result. Alright, and you just need to continue the editing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add audio beat to match cut on VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.